This is my favorite kind of cleaner, the one you grab for everything. Hey, I'm Musette from Simply Earth. I tested this spray as a simple everyday cleaner and it quickly replaced the bottle I use most in my house. Let's make it. Start by adding all the ingredients directly into the spray bottle. You're gonna add 1 tablespoon of Castile soap. This gently lifts dirt and grime from surfaces. Next, you're gonna add 2 cups of water. Distilled is the best. Now the essential oils, 50 drops of Homebody, 45 drops of lemon, and 5 drops of oregano. Now this is optional, but if you want a longer shelf life, then you would add 3/4 teaspoons of GeoGuard ECT. Swirl gently to mix, then label your bottle. To use, shake, spray directly on surfaces, and wipe clean with a cloth. If you skip the preservative, use within 1 to 2 weeks. With the preservative, it lasts longer. Pretty cool, right? And if you want to make this Shine and Simplify spray yourself, it's super easy, especially with the Simply Earth recipe box. It comes with everything you need to make natural, non-toxic cleaning products at home. And when you subscribe, you get a free big bonus box to kickstart your DIY journey. You can find this recipe and more at simplyearth.com. I love how well this spray cleans. It picks up the grime really well, it smells fresh, and it doesn't leave those harsh chemical scents behind. This is the spray I keep out all day. If this worked for me, it'll work for you too. Try it and share your spray with #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth for a chance to win a $100 Simply Earth gift card. I'll see you in the next video.